Drag it. Click it. Scrub through time. Every number you see is sourced to a published paper. The object on your screen was built from 16 dated observations across 4 telescopes. It is not an artist's impression. It is the data. This is the viewport, a Sentinel network investigation. We built an interactive 3-dimensional reconstruction of 3i Atlas. The link is in the comments. Drag to orbit. Click features to inspect. Scrub 16 dated observations across the timeline. Switch to thermal infrared view. Every claim is cited. The hull dimensions come from Hui and Jewitt. The jet position angles come from Scarmato and Loeb. The exhaust velocity comes from Biver and team at the IRAM 30-meter telescope. The orbital elements come from JPL Horizons. We computed the orbit from scratch and back-solved every Hubble visit. The dates match to 4 decimal places. July 1st, 2025. Discovery. The Atlas Chile telescope sees a red, featureless object. No gas? Silent approach. 3 weeks later, Hubble images a teardrop dust cocoon. August 17th. Cyanide ignites at 2.97 astronomical units. The Korean 7DT array catches the breakpoint. Gas appears outside in, 20,000 kilometers from the surface, filling inward. 1 filter out of 20 deviates. September 8th. Water activates. Shanghai's 65-meter radio dish detects OH. 80 to 90% of the water comes from an extended source, not the nucleus. 6 independent teams have now confirmed it. October 29th. Solar conjunction. No ground observations. The sunward jet reestablishes itself from the opposite pole later. A dual pole flip at 1 in 40,000 statistical odds. Early November. The IRAM 30-meter clocks the exhaust at 0.37 kilometers per second. Half the speed every comet in history has produced at that distance. Sunward flow runs faster than anti-sunward. A braking profile. November 30th. Hubble, visit 1. Jet 2 aligns with the projected transverse direction to within half a degree. The spin axis points anti-sunward at position angle 290. December 12th, the same configuration. December 27th, mode switch. Overnight, the jet's fan open. Phase coherence of the 7.1-hour cycle degrades. Then on January 16th, TESS goes to contingency mode for 72 hours. January 22nd, opposition surge. Earth, 3i, Sun alignment. Dust scatters like a solid surface, not an ice halo. March 16th, Jupiter Hill sphere flyby, 53.56 million kilometers, exactly the boundary. 1 in 20,000 alignment for a random interstellar arrival. Click the hull. You will see surface weathering consistent with a 9 to 13 billion-year-old object. Click any jet. The specifications match the Andre minimum thruster theorem. 4 jets. The minimum configuration that can produce the observed 3-axis control. Switch to thermal infrared view. The jets register as bright yellow-white. The anti-tail jet, the one pointed at the sun, burns hottest. That is the reverse solar Oberth signature. Here is the Sentinel network's assessment. We have documented more than 60 distinct anomalies across chemistry, trajectory, physical structure, rotation dynamics, and institutional response. Every one of them is sourced. Every one of them is in the model. The model does not argue. It shows. Drag it, click it. Read the citations. Form your own assessment. The full briefing is on Substack. Link in the description. Keep looking up.